So you may be in the market for a metal building, and I'm going to give you some tips that may help you, hopefully, a couple things you can take as you go out shopping for customers. What I like to do and what I tell friends of mine to do, first of all, don't ask me, ask your customer. Same with my competitors. Of course, I love my buildings and I say great things about them, as are every other company. Go find out what the customers say. So check customer reviews. A tip that I have for you is don't just check their website. You can actually check mark in your own settings, if you run your own reviews, to only show 5-star reviews. If you see someone with a 5-star review, they may just have that as a setting. So check Google reviews, check Facebook reviews. Those are organic, they will give you a real number. And check the company's websites. So read the reviews, see what the customers are saying. Those are important. We stand behind our product and our customers. I believe right now we have the highest reviews in the industry. We're at a 4.9 right now on Google, Facebook, and our homepage. And we include all reviews. We don't exclude any. So 0s, 1 stars, we put everything in there for you to see. So look at the number of reviews, make sure they have enough. Look at the rating, make sure they're real, read the customers, make sure they're not bots, make sure they're real companies, and check multiple sites to get reviews. Number one thing I can hope that you do and share with you, you may take 10 companies down to 3 or 4 based on reviews. Now you want to go ahead and say, hey, of these couple companies that I feel comfortable with and their customers like them, what do I do next? If you did watch the other videos, back to the 1, 2, 3s. What materials do they use? Tell me about your installers. Do you know them? Are they trained by you? Are they certified by you? And what is the warranty? Get specific on the warranty. What does it cover for how long? The easy 1, 2, 3s of buying a building. Make sure the materials are the same or what you'd like. Number 2, check the installers and how they're paid. Are they related to the company? And number 3, what is the warranty? And get specific. So those are things you can ask yourself.